Hi guys, how you all doing? It's your girl Bella. I'm back again with another vlog. But guys, today I'm very happy. I'm very excited because guys, we are at 400 400 subscribers. Despite the fact that your girl is oh my god, I'm just so shy, but you guys know I'm not consistent, and that's quite embarrassing. But your girl is not always consistent, and yet we've gotten to 400 subscribers. Like, I'm so happy. Since I opened this channel since 2019, guys, I've not really been so consistent just because I have some things to do with work, business and all that. But I'm just so happy. I just want to thank you all for your subs. I want to thank you all for the like, the comment, the sharing. One day I saw my content on Twitter and also on Facebook. I don't know who shared it, but I'm just so grateful. I'm grateful, guys. Thank you so much for making me get this far. To me, it's far. I know I'm not gotten to 1k since I opened it, but the truth is, I know why my channel has not really hit 1k or 2k. It's because I know that I don't want to say I'm the problem. Guys, I've not been consistent, but I'm just so grateful that, oh my god, I've gotten to 400 right now. Like, I'm so happy. Before you know it, I'll get to 500. Before you know it, maybe 1k. That's if I'm very consistent. So you guys should put me in your prayers to be consistent, okay? All right, guys, so thank you. I just want to appreciate everybody. I just want to thumbs up to everybody here. Thank you. Please, just keep watching my videos so that at least I will be consistent, okay? I'm just so happy, guys. I'm really happy. At least even the views, at least for someone with 400 subs, like, the views are okay. I know people with 800, even 1k subs, and the truth is their views I don't want to compare, but I'm just grateful that at least even my views are okay. I don't want to say okay. In fact, let me just shut up before I start capping. All right, guys, I just want to say thank you to everybody here who is my subscriber. Sorry, and yeah, let's keep going till we get there. Okay, thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful and I'm happy. So I just want to unbox something with you guys. So the first thing I'm going to unbox is this Valentine gift I got from a friend, a special friend in my life. So I got this perfume, this club, the Nuit Perfume Woman Intense. So I'm just going to unbox this with you guys. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I've been hearing about this club, the Nuit Perfume. I've heard some, even the male version, but I've never got it or even thought of getting it. So someone got this for me, and I'm so happy about it, and I can't wait to see what it looks like, and also to perceive the scent and know if it smells really amazing or nice, just as I see in the reviews of other people. Okay, all right, guys, let's see. Okay, so this is the first thing I'm seeing in here. Okay, this is just to show you that they have different types of this perfume. Okay, this is the one for the male, for men, and this one is for female, that's for women. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. Wow, this is pretty. The bottle is everything. Just take a look at this. Like, oh my god, this is really nice. let's see, how do they open this? Okay, I guess that's it. So let me see what it smells like. I think I'm just going to spray it on this. Wow, guys, this is, oh my god, this smells amazing. Wow, it smells really nice, guys. Wow, it smells nice, guys. It smells really, really nice. Wow, it smells really nice. It smells really nice, guys. I think I can perceive vanilla and like, will I say orange or lemon? Yeah, it smells nice. It smells really nice, guys. All right, the next thing I got is my bathrobe. Yeah, I've been wanting to get this for like the longest time because the bathrobe I have is so old. It's so old, so I said to like get a new one. One thing about this robe is just that I like how soft it is. It's very soft, guys, and I'm happy about it. At first I didn't want to buy it because I got this from Jumia, guys, and I was like, they should not disappoint me, because the last time I got something from them, it wasn't what it is. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. The robe is really nice. It's really nice, and it comes with what's it called again? Is it belt or something to tie around it? So yeah, that's that. And I've been hearing about this, so I also got this Ultra Max Fresh Anti-Perspirant deodorant. I got this too. I've been hearing about it, so many nice things about this, and I got it. And to tell you the truth, guys, I used it yesterday and it was amazing. Like, I'm even wearing this right now. Like, I used it today too. It's amazing. Like, it blocks any smell. Like, I could not perceive a thing. I could not even, I was even wondering, as in, it's too good to be true. Like, this deodorant is very nice. This is by Arm and Hammer deodorant, the standard of purity, blah blah blah, Ultra Max Fresh. So they have the one that has no what's it called, what am I going to say now? Okay, the one that doesn't come with any, what will I call it, scent, or I don't know how, my head is filled right now. I don't know how to like explain it, but I decided to go for the fresh one. Okay, yeah, so this is one of the things I got. I think I'm going to suggest this to every girl out there. Trust me, this is very, very good. It's very, very good. And I also got a lighter. I got this lighter for my candle, my scented candles. I decided to buy this, although I would have preferred this in black, but I just went for pink anyway because it's a girl's color. I mean, that's what the street is saying. And I also got my sponge. Here we call it sponge in Nigeria. Yeah, body whatever. Yeah, I got this. I got two of this. I got the white one and I got the pink one. Okay, so guys, this is what I got. I just decided to share this with you all. Okay. I'll see you guys later. So guys, I'm back from Mama JB to tell you guys the truth. Okay, let me just show you guys what I got first. So let me close my drawer. Okay, I got a chicken salad, and I also got a Caesar salad. Okay, so this is what it comes with. This is the salad cream, I guess. But there's something I want to say. I do not like their service. If I'm to rate this restaurant, I'm going to rate it 3. Yeah, 3, because of the service. And when I went there, the varieties of what they have was not that much, but the service, oh my god, no, the service was so bad. The service was poor. The girls there, they are not doing a good job, and I must say this. I'm sorry, but I just have to. Maybe it's because I went there today, probably from the person who served me, but I just hope it's not like that. Like, I really hope, I really do hope, I really do hope this is not how they serve customers. I can't really say what happened, but I'm just being tempted to say what happened, but I'm not going to say it because it's somebody's business. But I'm just going to rate them a 3. That's all. I'm sorry. Maybe if you go there, you may get a good service, but when I went there, I didn't get a good service. And I'm just going to taste this and know if their salad is good. Yeah, guys, and this will not stop me from going back there. Okay, it won't stop me from going back to that restaurant. I will go back there to, like, because I want to, like, try what they have. That's how I am. I like trying out things. I'm not that rigid, okay? I don't let first time or one time experience make me not to like patronize people, except that experience is too awful. But it wasn't really that awful, it wasn't really that bad. But what I'm going to say is the service today was poor. Okay, yeah.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you don't show me, and the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. 'Cause I ain't never had nobody